Hey, Backwoods Gourmet here. I think we're breaking some ground with this particular dish, and I'll show you what we're doing. Y'all stay tuned. Here's the setup. That is the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. We got a ring of charcoals up underneath this 12-inch cast iron skillet. On top of that, we have the 12-inch Dutch oven lid, and I'm going to lift this up and show you what's inside. That is a pepperoni, mushroom, and sausage, onion, pizza deep dish that's almost done. Let's rotate that lid again. That's going to be awesome. So just a test run today, guys, but be sure to make sure that you're subscribed and you've hit that little bell, turning on your notifications so that you can be informed every time we post a video to catch the follow-up to this little test we did today. So thanks for subscribing to the Backwoods Gourmet, and we'll see you next time.